Hello, I'm Katie, and I would rate my listening skills in the phone call about an 8. I think I was listening very well, but I could have asked more questions and stuff to show that I was more cognitively listening. I feel like I conducted myself really well. I feel like every time you do something like this, you think it's going to go super bad or be super awkward, but it always ends up being better than you think, especially with phone calls being so uncommon nowadays because nobody does it because there's social media and texting. People don't want to talk because they think it's awkward, especially, I guess, if you don't know the person to start with. You can't see their face or anything. I think I was an empathetic listener, and this topic made it really easy to want to listen because it was super interesting to hear what he had struggled with and what he learned throughout this pandemic. And he also listened very well when it was my turn to talk. I could improve upon coming up with questions as I'm listening, like thinking deeper about what they're saying. Like, I think I thought pretty deep, but like just in general, talking on the phone. And then I learned about myself that talking on the phone is not as hard as I thought, and like many people don't do it anymore. And I think it's rare nowadays, and that we should do it more often just to get the skill built up because people will continue to call, but it will be less common. I also think I learned that it's never as bad as you think talking to strangers. It's always more interesting and not as awkward as you think it will be, which I think is super good to learn now because meeting new people is a way to build relationships with people who could help you in the future, and we need to get better at that, I think. Thank you.